So now I'm going to demonstrate Test-SRTopology, a Windows PowerShell commandlet for Storage Replica. This commandlet allows you to validate the requirements as well as examine the I/O characteristics of a couple of servers that you plan to replicate. So they don't have to be replicating. In fact, they shouldn't be replicating. You're just going to take a look and see how things would look if you decided to replicate. So you pick a source and destination computer, source and destination data volume, and log volume, just like you would for setting up replication with new SR partnership. You specify how long you want this to run. I recommend you run it for as long as possible, many hours during a business day, a couple of business days, to try and make sure you understand the characteristics of write I/O. And it just generates a little HTML file. So I fire up disk speed to give myself some workload, and now I wait. Now disk speed's done, my report's done. I fire up the HTML file. I can see which things I was examining, obviously. I can take a look at the test to see if the requirements were met. You can see a little typo there. This is technical preview 2, so it says test ton. Sorry about that. And more importantly, I can see the initial sync time, the data performance characteristics, how long it would take to do initial sync under that heavy workload that I was hitting that machine with, how big my log sizes would be if I chose to default, change from the defaults, what the I/O latency is. See some nice charts. All very useful information, and I never had to configure SR at all. I just needed to install the tools.